Hi you guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. So I'm starting out this vlog writing down my goals. It's the beginning of a new month, September. So I always start off the month by writing down my goals. I feel like everyone should do that. It's very, very important, no matter your age, whether you're young or old. You need to be writing down some goals, okay? So you can have something to work towards throughout the month. Well, I would say this vlog is somewhat productive. We do a little cooking, we get some work done, answer emails. I show you guys a little behind the scenes of like the filming process, kinda ish, not really. You'll see, just keep watching. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So I'm actually not gonna open this yet, but this is from a company. I'm gonna be filming a video for them. This will be business related. So all of my business owners, upcoming business owners, this is for you guys, okay? So stay tuned. Now I'm about to go through my email. I've literally been getting emails like every other day for paid collab or someone wanting me to promote their stuff just to promote it. I think like at the beginning of August, I ended up changing the email that I want people to use when they're like hitting me up for business stuff. So now my email is contact.shanayaoshea@gmail.com. So since that email is not listed under all of my videos, I still have people using my old email, so I just have to go back and forth through those. And then for some odd reason, people cannot read, so they're putting shanayaoshea@gmail.com. So I'm getting emails on that account as well, and that's my personal account. So literally I have 3 emails that people are sending like collaborations and stuff too. So I had to go through all those. I wish I would have made it something different, but I didn't think people would forget to put contact and the period in front of Sha'Naya O'Shea. And I'm also going to post on my Instagram today. I gotta get back to being consistent. I've still been doing stuff, but I'm not as consistent as I usually am because I've been discouraged. So I just have to get out of that mood and just get back to it. Get back to my consistent posting and, you know, just get back to everything. So I did new swatches. That was just about figuring out which one I want to use. And these aren't perfect, but they're gonna work, okay? They're gonna work. But yeah, so I'm gonna email these companies back. I love how my Instagram looks. I always want my Instagram to be very colorful, bright, inviting, and just like fun to look at. And plus, like, I don't think I could ever really do like a nude brown type of theme, like if I ever want to change my colors, because I have so many different color products. Like my lip scrubs are colorful, glosses are colorful. Make sure you follow the Instagram, go like the posts, check out the new post, okay? So I actually had that ready last night. I just had to do the swatches this morning. So yeah, I uploaded that, and then I also have an IGTV. I haven't uploaded an IGTV since like last year. I want to start uploading like clips from my YouTube to promote my YouTube even more. So I have this one. I'm gonna post this one in a couple hours, and hopefully it does good. I don't even know if people still watch IGTVs, but whatever, we're gonna post the content. So it is time to film. The first video that I'm gonna film is the clothing haul that I have to do for this company. So I went out earlier. I should have vlogged, but I went out earlier and I went to the hair store around the corner from where I live, and I picked up these things. And then I really want to try this lip combo out, so I got a dark brown lip liner, and I'm gonna use one of my glosses. Of course, that's the only gloss that I wear. I'm about to go ahead and do my hair. Again, gotta get stuff done so I can get this video sent over to her and she can approve it and I can get it up. So we're just doing the bun. It looked decent. It should be good enough to get this video out the way. It's not gonna take me too long. I have 5 items to try on and just like talk about. I'm actually gonna style them. Well, I'm gonna see if I can style them a little bit. So it'll be like a clothing haul / a little lookbook. I have on the gloss Millionaire, and I have on the brown lip line. This is how it looks. It is available on my site for retail. My signature wand tubes, and you can also get this little sample size if you just want to try it out. I'm about to go ahead and start. I'm praying that everything comes out good. I went down to my grandma's house and got my other tripod that I was using before I even got a ring light. I'm gonna put this phone that I'm currently filming on this one and try to do it like sideways so I can get like a full body type of video. So I can do like a picture in picture, that's what it's called on iMovie. So then I have this one already ready to go. So we can see how this works. I hope it works out good. Here's a little behind the scenes of like what it's looking like. I hope that I get more clothing companies emailing me and stuff, because I have fun filming this. I hope people watch it. Because, you know, being a YouTuber, sometimes like doing different content that you don't usually do on your channel, it can be hard for it to like get views. I want my channel to be a variety of stuff: vlogs, business stuff, clothing hauls, maybe a hair video here and there. Basically just a big variety of stuff that I love. Like, I'm not just a business owner. I do like clothes, I do like shopping, I do like cooking. What else? I don't really care for doing my hair anymore. Like that phase is gone, but you never know, it may come back. So I want people to subscribe to me and just like enjoy everything that I post, you know? But we'll get to that point one day. I'm just like really really starting to grow for real, I feel like. So I'm done. I got it down to 11 minutes. I can't remember what it was. Come on. I can't remember what it was before, but I'm gonna try to cut down some more. I really wanted to be like 10 or 9 minutes. But yeah, this is like just a little preview. Go watch the vid. I think I did good on this haul. I literally do everything from my phones. I film with my, what is this, an iPhone? This one is an iPhone 12, just a regular iPhone 12. And then the one that I'm recording this video on is iPhone XR. It's like this month has gotten me so motivated, and like I'm just so excited to see where everything goes. Like I can't wait to have like an actual setup, an actual filming room and stuff, and a camera and all that. Like I look at all the other big YouTubers and it honestly inspires me. I gotta add some more music, just some background music so it won't be so, you know, plain. Then I may add some words on the screen. But yeah, I'm almost done, and then I'm gonna go ahead and upload it on YouTube and put it as the, I think it's called unlisted, so that I can send the link to the lady and she can go ahead and check it, make sure everything's good, and it'll be ready to go. And I'm gonna put the code on the screen also. So this is the thumbnail I created. I did a couple more, but these aren't it. Anyway, I just get out the shower. I'm about to get dressed and go outside, go to the store, get some food so I can make my spaghetti. Look, look at this. It's pouring down. You know, I'm just glad I got to take my shower, you know, with the light on and everything, because the power is out. We have no power. Oh my gosh, but I come prepared. I have candles, I have more candles, I have lots of water, but I don't have anything to eat. Like, I'm hungry, I haven't eaten all day. I used to live at, it was never like this, bro. Like, I don't understand, just try. So, obviously, it's the next day. My lights came back on around like 9:30 something. Then they went back out at 10 something. Then they came back in and went back out around like 1 something. Then they came back on for good. So they're back on. I'm on my way to the store. I'm gonna run in here real quick, get what I need, and go back home. Okay. I came out the house, a jacket, biker shorts, and my freaking slides. If I get sick, then I know why. Because I'm definitely not prepared for the weather. But I did not feel like putting on actual clothes, bro. But yeah, once I get back to the house, it's cooking time, okay? I'm ready to eat. to be eating this. Oh my gosh. I did a little taste test of the meat and stuff. And it's good. It's good, okay? I have yet to buy my bar stool. Whenever it's time for me to eat, I put my blanket down so I don't get my white cover dirty. Yeah, I'm so excited about this. So I just got done eating. Y'all, I am full. I ate all my food. Now I'm about to lay here to edit this vlog. And I gotta create the thumbnail and stuff. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in the next one.